We started out in the cabinet business. We do a lot of work in the multifamily housing industry and really got involved in some renovation projects that needed some granite. So we kind of backed into the stone business a little bit. In 2005, I think we were cutting prefab granite with the bullnose on site with dry grinders, and I think we did a 500 unit apartment complex was our first granite project. So that was an education. We really felt like we needed to upgrade and be able to make more, so started looking around, and once they showed us your products and told us the Park story, I think we were pretty convinced that that was the right choice, and it's worked out great. We like the fact that it's American made, parts are local, your machines are solid, they're never down. Don't try to cheap out on your machinery, right? Because if something breaks, it's not the part that costs all the money, it's the lost opportunity and the lost business while you're trying to get that part fixed. I never worry about the machines in our granite shop. They just don't cause me any problems. Between you guys having phone support available, training available, next day parts, we had a router in our wood shop that was down for almost 4 weeks while we were waiting for parts for Italy. So I worry about those machines. I really don't worry about these machines because they're always up and they're always working. The first machine we got was the Fastback. That was great because we were doing a lot of hand fabrication back then, so it was really nice to be able to just run parts quickly through the machine. Really helped us improve our productivity. We bought the dual table Fusion. While one side is cutting and producing parts, the other side is being unloaded and reloaded. So we're able to keep the saw moving all day long, which helps us in terms of the number of square feet we can produce in a day with that 1 or 2 guys that are attending to the saw. It's fast. If we choose to optimize on our material, we can pack things really tight and cut a lot of pieces out of a slab. We're able to cut the seams really tight and really nice, so it's a quality, easy installation out in the field. Now I would say my favorite machine is the Titan, because we just put it on and let it go, and things come off beautifully. With no handwork at all, we're taking a slab and turning it into finished pieces that are ready to put on an A-frame. The Titan seems to be really easy to use. It's really easy to load. Again, we haven't had any trouble with the Titan. It's a solid machine. It just works and works and works and works. So it works really well for us in terms of being able to produce a lot of material quickly with great quality. That really impressed me.